Today, my friend Spencer and I headed over to Rocky Knob to do something neither of us had done. Ride in the snow. It was challenging and full of surprises, but in the end, it was a lot of fun. Hello, I'm out here on this snowy day, about to ride down New Boss over at Rocky Knob. This is one section pretty steep. It's not for everyone, even in the best of conditions. I'm gonna try it. So yeah. Time to go fast. No brakes. You can catch the berm. My foot just slipped off when I was like, you know, doing some, and yeah, when you land it, like almost went right into this stuff, and then I like got a pedal strike on this one. Whew. Nope. Maybe a little.
Part of the trail.
Oh, it's so muddy. Woohoo!